Hi everybody, in this video, the idea was given to me from two of my friends, my subscribers. Big Keg, special shout out to you buddy, and Rubster760. They wanted to see my setup. It's happening right now. Okay, here's my Gamdias gaming chair. Highly recommend this chair to anybody, especially larger people, heavier people. Handles up to 400 pounds, no problem. Here's my favorite drink. You might recognize it. It's Bang Candy Apple Crisp. Some of the other things on the desk, my keyboard, speakers. That's the Sound Blaster X Katana. The keyboard is the Razer Snaps. I've done a video on that one. Here's my favorite monitor. That's a Predator. You might remember it came out a while back. It was like, I don't know, $1,600 when it came out new. Rock solid 1080p camera. Yeah, the monitor is incredible. High quality, works great. ebluegaming.com. Just because I like the RGB and it's a nice slide proof. Mouse and pad. You might recognize the Tascam headphones. There's my blue Yeti hooked up. Works incredible. Just a regular cheap stand, you don't need nothing fancy. I don't move it around a lot. It's pretty much stationary. My gaming setup with two GeForce GTX 1080 Ti's. Deep Cool Captain, I'll leave all that stuff below. Aurora's motherboard. There's the Geil RAM RGB. The system's, I don't know, like 3 years old now, but still kicking butt. Awesome. Yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot. Thermaltake case. I'm not very good at wire management, sorry about that. No fancy setup for you. Yeah, everything just kind of flows and works well. Nice little corner desk where I can look out the window. I'll give you a window shot in a couple of minutes. There we go. At the window I can see the pool in the backyard. Watch the kids play, have fun. Yeah, it definitely works, it flows. Plus it's nice to have the sunlight on you. I'm going to do a little brief view of my son's gaming setup and everything in a second. There we go. This Call of Duty chair. Got the printer all set up. Yeah, I wanted to give you guys a quick little view. I appreciate you guys watching.
Bye.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.